Hey everyone, this is a video short on how to use the NotebookLM Topical Notebooks. These would be the notebooks that begin with ACAD or Revit. We have had a couple of questions that came in on our survey that apply to this, so I'm going to use them as an example. The first one was training in setting view ranges, and the other was training in using work sets. This is an instance where we have a topical notebook for each one of those. So if we go down and look at the Revit work sets and NotebookLM, you will see here on the left-hand side a number of resources that you can use to learn about work sets, how they function, and the various intricacies of them. Additionally, we have on the right-hand side the podcast, which will give you a good overview of work sets and understanding how they function. We also have, as always, the AI in the center with the chat, and you have the opportunity to query it, ask it any questions you would like, and dive as deep as you would want to, and begin to get an idea of what work sets are, how they function, how they can make you more efficient at using Revit. We have a similar situation, although there are actually more resources available with the Revit View Range Topical Notebook. Again, we have the briefing document, study guide, frequently asked questions on the left, which will give you great overviews. We have a number of resources here on the left-hand side that help explain how View Range works. Probably the best way to utilize the resources is to ask specific questions of the AI here in the center chat section, but also on the right-hand side, because we've already used this for a few different questions that have came up. We've created notes that address some of the things that continually become a question, become a problem within view ranges. So we have view range floor plans versus RCPs. What's the differences? We have a general view range, how it works. We can click on and it will give you a great overview of how view ranges work in general. And we have specifically dealing with view ranges and the reflected ceiling plan. All three have great information in them and will give you a great understanding of view ranges. If you prefer or want to watch some videos, the YouTube videos are live and accessible, and you can utilize those. And of course, we have the podcast here on the right as well that will give you a good audio overview of the topic.